Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Who doesn't love cakes? When it comes to homemade, especially I love the most because my granny, my mother and my sister, they all prepare the homemade cakes, but yet in different flavors and styles, I love and cherish to have them all. But yeah, when it comes to kids, what if you prepare a rainbow cake in the same old recipe by just giving a twist? They'll truly love it. So let us see how to prepare this. Take a bowl and add 4 eggs as shown here. Just you have to beat it them. So add all the eggs into the bowl and start whisking or beating them nicely till you get a nice froth or foam on top of it. So once you're done beating the eggs, you need to add 1 full cup of sugar. Now this is the same measurement I'm going to use till the end with all the ingredients. So put the cup with whichever cup you are taking and put it aside. Now for 1 full cup of sugar, I am adding half a cup of oil. So if you want to add full cup of oil, you can add the same cup with which you have added sugar. But what I have done instead is I have added curd also. So first of all I have added half a cup of oil and then I had whisked nicely, and later again half a cup of curd, and then I have mixed it nicely. So for those who don't like to add curd, you can remove the curd and add the oil fully. Now in place of oil, if you want to add butter also, you can add non-salted butter and you can enjoy the cake. You need to whisk it till you get a nice froth on top of it, and then place a sieve on top of it and add 1 full cup of maida or all-purpose flour, and then cinnamon powder half a tablespoon and 2 to 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And then you need to mix the batter in a cut and fold method. Now why we need to prepare the batter for the cake in cut and fold method, I have earlier told you in the Christmas plum fruit cake recipe. Go and check out there, and also try that cake also if you haven't done yet, because you'll truly enjoy. Without going to bakery, you can prepare an amazing cake and you can enjoy with your family. Now once my batter is done, you need to prepare colors for the rainbow cake, right? So here I have taken only 4 colors. If you want, you can add another 2 to 3 colors more also here. So those are very bright. Those colors I have chosen and I have added, that is pink, blue, yellow and green. I have liquid ones and also some powdered ones, so it's your wish. You can add any food color available with you. Now add batter into the bowls. That is, here I have added 1.5 spatula of batter into each bowl. Now mix it nicely, and then now once you're ready for baking, then only add pinch of baking powder and baking soda in each bowl and mix it nicely. Now this also I'm only adding before baking it, because the action of the baking powder and baking soda starts then only. Now once grease with oil the tin or the cake tin which you are preparing it. Now add colors one by one. First I have added blue color, and then goes yellow. Now in goes green, and then last but not least the pink color. Now slowly add one by one, but do not dab it or tap the sides or edges of the cake, because you don't want the colors to mix it up. Just you take the cake and gently place on top of the stand. Here I have already preheated the pan for 10 minutes on medium flame. So then if you are preparing in an oven, you can also preheat the oven for 10 minutes and again bake it on 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, and that's it. You can have an amazing rainbow cake like this. Now I didn't add nuts here because I don't want to disturb the pattern inside the cake, which we'll have it nicely. So if you're interested, you can add it. It's of your choice. Now see, our rainbow cake, it's so yummy and also attractive. This is so colorful. Ain't it tempting that you want to prepare this and you want to eat it? You do give it a try and you'll truly enjoy with your family, especially kids. They'll ask you for more. So why late? Go prepare this and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Also please like, share, comment and subscribe.